Hello guys, my name is Puppet, and today we are playing that level again too. I know this is my first video, but this is all I got now. So let's start. Plain and simple. That was easy. Did you leave it? Oh my god. The moon. What? It's so hard. What? No. Okay. God. Not. What's the key? It's okay. Stuck there. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. I got this. I got this. I got this. Is it in the second room? Of course it's in the second room. Oh, it's easy. So basically this game is supposed to determine whether if you're smart or not. Use your fingers. Emergency exit. Uh, is this the emergency exit? But it's not. It is safe in here. See? It's got your two spikes that want to kill you so badly, and then it's got the door and some weird thing up there. I don't know what that thing is. It's weird. Mm. Is it the window or it? Oh, it is the window. Escape. No. It, this game is weird. So what? How are you supposed to? He won't go through the door. He's not going through the door. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. What? 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 I'm gonna wake him up anyway. And I died. I died. A horrible death. I don't get it. I don't. Alright guys, this has been that level again too. Thanks for watching.